Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start working on the 4-link. We have Bobby in the house. He's going to help me start cleaning up these rear frame rails, and then we'll start tacking on some 4-link brackets. Do some measurements, tack the frame rails onto the frame, and start building some 4-link arms. Well, we got the frame rails tacked in place. As you noticed previously, we did have to notch out these frame rails to fit around the existing frame. Welded in the 4-link brackets. Got the front all leveled. And the rear is completely leveled. So we still have to cut out some tubing to make some rear cross members. Once that's done and this is a little more secured, we'll start making some 4-link bars. Well, it's been a few days. Took a couple days off because it was Christmas. So, by the way, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, everyone. I'm going to start working on the truck again. Last time we got the frame rails tacked in place. Got a cross member installed. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more welding to secure these frame rails a little bit more. And then we'll start working on some 4-link bars. Got the frame pretty much welded up. You saw me making some gussets. That's for these corner areas, just to give it a little more additional support. Right now I got the heim joints installed on the front 4-link brackets and the rear 4-link brackets. I got the measurement to where the measurement from here to here is equal from here to here. That way when I'm setting up these bars, I know that they're parallel. My initial measurements is I'm going to need to cut a 20-inch bar for both top and bottom. And the material I'm using for the 4-link bars, for the lower bar, I got some 1.5-inch, 1/4-inch wall DOM and some 1.25-inch 120 wall for the upper 4-link bars. Well, got the 4-link bars all cut out and installed for mock-up. Not done with them. I still need to clean up the ends for welding and drill some holes for some rosette welds. But this is roughly what ride height will be for the rear end. I also got the wheelbase set to 110 inches. But I'm going to call it a day. Next video, we'll finish up the 4-link bars. We'll also start working on a wishbone that will connect to the frame to the rear end to keep it centered from side to side. And I'll also start working on a sway bar. But till then, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.